Hi guys, so we're looking at the third part of this problem we've been working on, and we already went through this part. What about if we are building the maximum amount of trucks and cars? So we had already talked about both max trucks and cars build, right? 7 cars is the most you can build because of the parts you have. 5 trucks is the most that you can build because of the parts again. Well, what about if we don't want to build like a maximum, right? There could be other combinations. And here's another example. So I'll give you guys a third way you guys can do this, okay? What about if I build 3 cars? So I'm gonna need the 12 wheels, 6 seats, and 3 gas tanks. So that means I still have left parts left over. So I have 24 wheels, 8 seats, and 12 gas tanks. So how many trucks can I build here? Well, if you do the math, you guys will see that the max is 4 trucks. Why? Because I'm going to use 24 wheels, I'm going to use 4 seats, and I'm going to use 12 gas tanks. So after I do that, I basically have no more wheels or gas tanks to build anymore. So that means that I would be able to create 3 cars and 4 trucks. If I build 3 cars, I can build 4 trucks. And my point or my solution, remember, cars are your x coordinate, and then trucks would be your y coordinate. So I would write it as 3 comma 4, right? So what you guys are really creating is you guys are creating points on the x and y plane and the coordinate plane, and those are going to represent the combinations that are possible. So we're going to go on to that next. I'm going to offer you guys extra credit. If you guys look at problem 480, it's asking you guys which combination would make the most out of the most money if each car was sold for $1 and trucks were sold for $1. Part B is asking you guys, what about if cars were sold for $1 but trucks were sold for $2? So what would be the best combination? You guys can't do this problem until you finish 479, 4-79, right? So let me switch screens real quick here. So I'm gonna have you guys actually look at a Desmos, so start a Desmos, and here are some combinations we already talked about. You could make 0 cars and trucks. You can make 1 truck. You can make 1 car, and still have leftover parts. We already have these other ones where what about if we make 7 cars and 7 trucks, right? So the last point we made, so I'm gonna type this in here real quick. We said 3 cars and 4 trucks, right? So here's the point. So what I want you guys to do is you guys are creating basically a graph representing what you guys are the combinations. Remember, X is your car, so this X axis represents cars, right? Represents cars, and then your Y axis is gonna represent trucks. Okay, okay. So I want you guys to create a graph like this. And what we're going to also do is you guys are going to download this into, again, we already went through this in the other videos. You could hit export and you guys are going to get the graph downloaded, and then you guys are going to turn it into me as a submitted assignment on Schoology. Okay. Remember, there's extra credit. Look at 480. If you guys do that, I'll give you guys extra credit for that. I will give you extra credit of a 1 assignment. Okay. This is a really good problem. I really hope you guys enjoy it. It is going to take a little time, but you guys can do this. Okay. Good luck, and we'll talk soon.